Hi guys, welcome back to next closely like as a president. Welcome back to the next episode of a closer look with a public boost that cover as a prey. If you do, don't get to subscribe and can catch me on Logos today with a birds of prey. Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation One Harlequin, also known as Harlequin Birds of Prey, or simply Birds of Prey, is a 2020 American superhero film led by Kathy Yan, based on DC Comics team Birds of Prey. It's the 8th installment of the DC Extended Universe, the size of the spin-off and sequel to Suicide Squad. It also has Margot Robbie as Harlequin, also Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Jenny Smollett, Rosie Perez, Chris Messina, L.A.J. Basco, Ali Wong, and Ian McGregor. And of the history, Robbie also served as producer. Pitched the idea for Birds of Prey to Warner Brothers in 2015. The film was announced in May 2016, with Hudson being hired to write the script in November, followed by Yan signing to direct in April 2018. The majority of the cast and crew were confirmed by December 2018. Principal took Daza from January to April 2019 down to Los Angeles, Borders, and just Arts District and sound stages at Warner Bros. Studios in Burbank, California. Additional filming took place in September 2019. The story, it forced Harley Quinn, who after breaking up with the Joker is threatened by Gotham City crime lord Roman Sionis and joins was the head of Burn Alley, Dana Lawrence and Renee Montoya, who formed the Birds of Prey to save Cassandra Cain. Positives. I do think I like the way it looks, and Margot Robbie's good. I did like Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Rosie Perez, Ian McGregor, Chris Messina. I liked Jenny Smollett. I did like the soundtrack, and I did like the action. I liked I do like the way the film looks, but of negatives. I do think the film. I do think it's short. I don't think it has time to flesh out the characters, and I kind of wish it was a bit longer. Hunters doesn't really do much until the end. I do think it doesn't really have anything from Suicide Squad outside of a bit of what it posted of Captain Boomerang. That's pretty much it. But I do wish we had a bit more of a bit more Black Mask and Victor Zsasz, but Ruffles, I do like Birds of Prey. I know a lot of people don't like it. I liked it for what it was, but yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10. Guys, how much my video? That's my next one.